Today in Mobil Pro, we'll be exploring how oils gain OEM approvals. OEM stands for Original Equipment Manufacturer, like Toyota on this Corolla. A key factor to consider when recommending an engine oil to your customers is whether it meets OEM specifications and approvals. OEMs have different approvals depending on the specifications of the engine. These specs are listed in the handbook. OEMs test the oil to make sure it meets their performance standards for quality and suitability for the engines they're designed for. Some of the main tests examine fuel economy, oxidation, viscosity retention, low temperature fluidity, emission system compatibility, and more. Keeping up with OEM approvals might seem complicated, but Mobil covers nearly all petrol, diesel, and hybrid cars on European roads. So, no matter what rolls into your shop, Mobil's got you covered. Let's talk about Mobil's most universal formulation, Mobil 1 ESP 5W30. This powerhouse alone covers 50% of vehicles on UK roads. This makes it the perfect product to always keep in stock. On top of that, Mobil 1 ESP 5W30's universal formula makes it suitable for top-ups in any car for up to 1 litre. For a full oil change though, always use the specific product recommended for that vehicle. To make the job even easier, there's the Mobil Product Selector. You enter the car details and voila! Specifications and approvals are also listed on Mobil product detail pages. Choosing the right oil isn't just about meeting specifications, it's about ensuring your customers get the best protection for their engines. Oil selection can be tricky, so before we end this video, let's go over the main points to remember. OEMs have different approvals. No one expects you to remember all of these. Always have an oil in stock that gives you good coverage, such as Mobil 1 ESP 5W30. Use Mobil's Product Selector tool to be sure you are recommending the right oil.